All right, we are live. So good afternoon. It's 12:39 p.m. here in New England. Going to do some calendar updates. And let me just get this all set up. Split the chat, split view mode. I had all these files open before. What happened to them? Yep, so I'm updating this calendar. And what I need to do is I had this brainstorm based on some feedback from someone who actually uses this calendar. And she pointed out that some of the months have the same starting days, so updating them would be relatively easy. And that is true. And I went off and started that, and I realized that the actual word count per week varied depending on what month it was and how many days there were. And because there's different starting days that affects the count, in particular the cumulative count. So I'm showing it here on the screen. What happened there? So this number here, like the 2338 out of 50,000, that changes depending on what the start date is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 7 variants of this master calendar. This is the Monday one. And theoretically, it should just work. So this one's already done, so I'm going to make a duplicate of this master and call it W2 this day. Master options, prefix W. Okay, so that's the Tuesday one. And so this day is the one that starts off being, oh crap, I screwed this up, didn't I? Damn it. I have to, great. I should not have deleted the old master. What I'm worried about here is it's these numbers here, it looks like I actually deleted them instead of copy them down. So I'm going to have to recreate this. So I'll just see if I can, hopefully the auto align will work. Good. And then I can grab this entire, okay, so this wasn't so bad. Disaster averted. Just make sure that this is aligned the same. So I'm doing a copy, clone, and I will align this as closely as I can. There. And then just nudging it down. Oops, too much. That's close enough. Alright, so let's call this one master. So I'm going to call this my master file. Oops, I'll drag this down here. So now I'm going to make a duplicate of a master and call this one W2. Alright, so on W2 we're starting not on Monday, but on Tuesday, and I had to update all these numbers. Make sure the audio is working. Yep, audio is working. So here I'm just typing in all these. 3, 4, and I'm going to do it for 1, 2, 3, and 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to guess this takes about 45 minutes to get everything done. In fact, I'll set the timer for 45 minutes and see how far we get. 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. I was not looking forward to updating this calendar. But hopefully the work I do today will make updating this next year a lot faster. Oops, I just screwed something up. That's to be 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And all the rest of these can go away. Doot, 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 doot. Oops, I'm selecting too much. What did I selecting? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Make sure it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 21, 20, 28, 15, 40, 28, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31. Always have to make sure that I'm not skipping a number someplace, which I've done before. Okay, so that's the starting Tuesday one. Save. And let's duplicate the master again. And this is called WWED. So week starting Wednesday, and we'll again go for 31 days. Three. If I can tab through these. Nope. Just a lot of tedious clicking. I wish I could do Julia Child's voice. It'd be fun to. And now I don't even know how she sounds like. She has that kind of bubbly voice. How did she say butter? I don't watch some Julia Child later. So here I am preparing all these numbers for a fantastic word counting calendar. Some people use this word counting calendar every month to track their writing on their thesis. One reason why I'm updating it this year, after thinking about not doing this anymore, is because 2 people wrote to me. One person won a fellowship to spend a whole month writing in a Scottish castle, which was pretty amazing. I thought, says, wow. And she was really looking forward to having this calendar with her in the castle. And she said she would take pictures of the calendar in the castle too, which would be amazing. And then another person wrote who writes, what did she writes rom-coms with some sort of edge to them, which I thought sounded great too. And so it's like, okay, so maybe even though I don't sell a whole lot of these things, it is pretty cool to be part of someone else's process when they are doing cool stuff. And what did I just do? Oh, I just screwed this up. Undo. I want to duplicate this. Duplicate master spread. Can I lock this so I don't do that again? Master options. I guess not. So this B master now gets renamed to W Thursday. And let's see. Here's the Wednesday one. It's Thursday. So we delete these first. You know what? Did I screw this up? No, that's Wednesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Same drill. 01, 02, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7, 08, 09, 10. It'd be nice to have software that would generate this. I think a 2017 goal will be to get serious about writing tools. I've avoided becoming a developer for a number of years because I didn't think it's what I wanted to do. But it may be the most direct path to creating things that I actually like. As much as I thought I wanted to be a game maker, it never really seems to come down around to making the games, and I'm kind of bored of games these days, which is kind of shocking to me, but I'm feeling burned out on them for a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Let's get rid of these. Switch to direct selection mode. So that's the Thursday one. Save. Duplicate A master. Rename it. Expecting InDesign to crash on me at any moment. It should be W Friday. A master. Week starting Friday. So delete the first 4. Start renaming these. 01. 02. Is someone actually in this room? And 03. 04. 05. 06. Oh, I forgot to post the link for this in livestream. Working on graphic design updates for word counting calendar. Post this in the Discord co-working chat room. And it's at davidsay.com/live, I think. Work log. Alright, so back in the live stream. 6, 7, 8, 9. Why can't the text fields read my mind? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, so I think I want to start creating some more dynamic, oops, I typed 29, dynamic layout software. I've been putting it off for years, but today I had some clarity about what goals I think I should focus on. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. You can see like some of these months might go into the 6-week format. Okay, so weeks and start on, where are we? Make a duplicate of this master again. This is W Saturday. Let's go back and check these. And same drill. This week starting Saturday, delete everything up until Saturday. And start entering. 01, 02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I screwed this up already. I typed 17. 07, 08, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I wonder if I should have made this based on the A master instead of duplicating. Oh well. Wait a minute, did I screw this up? 17, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Delete these. That I was just thinking of was like the cleanup I need to do for like these ones in the front and the back, but I think what I'll do is I'll just erase them. Or I can just put these fillers up here like that. So that's that. So then the week starting Sunday, the very last one, I can actually start building the actual calendar. The Leicester options. This is W Sun. Save. Blah, blah, blah. So then these first 6 go away. And 1, 2. I wonder if I've not taken some situation into account. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7 plus 8 is 15, okay. 16, 9 plus 7 is 16, this would be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I guess there are no days that actually end. Oops, what did I just do? Selected something else by accident. What was that noise? Thought I heard a cat yowling. So, alright, so this is all the calendars. Now I need to look up what dates are what. And I guess I can do that with like Google Calendar. Or let's see, time and date calendar. That's the one that seems to pop up all the time. Year 2016. Well, that kept me a sad noise. So 2017. Now I need to write down what days are what. So let's see. Jan, Feb. Just writing this down here. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So on January we're using sun. The week starts on Sunday. February is Wednesday. March is also Wednesday. April is Saturday. Yeah, I'm reading this right? May is Monday. June is Thursday. July is Saturday. August is Tuesday. September is Friday. October is Sunday. Kitty. Meow. November is Wednesday. December is Friday. And then the months, January is 31 days, February is 28 days, March is 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Okay, so there's my little cheat sheet for 2017. And now we will start breaking it. So the first one, we need the week starting Sunday. And that is that. Let's get rid of this old one. Delete spread. So there's week starting Sunday. That looks correct. And then Sunday, 2 Wednesdays in a row. Wednesday. Then Saturday, Monday. Saturday. Monday. Then June is Thursday and then Saturday. Thursday. Saturday. Then what? Thursday, Saturday. August is Tuesday, followed by Tuesday. What did they say? Then September is Friday. It's 9. October is Sunday. November is Wednesday. And December is Friday. So there's the 12. So now I don't need the look at the masters anymore. And I can just start working on it. This is January. Let's just start filling in the text. Oops. I had to do Command Shift. Yep. And this should say, this should also say 2017. I should let me update that. And the masters. Yeah, this is where I should have based. I don't know if I can still do that. Master options from W Monday is based on a master. What happens if I do that? Does it screw everything up? No, it doesn't. So let's see. Master options based on a master. So what I want to see happens, if I change the A master, will that change these? Let's try doing 2 of them. These are all based on A master. So if I change A master, and if I change this to 2017, will all of them change? Oh, damn it. Yeah, so I should have set this up that way earlier. Crap. Is there a way I can do that without redoing all of it? Damn it. I guess I'll just do it by hand. In fact, all of these are... That's too bad. Oh, else. I guess it's relatively okay. Make sure it's all correct again. 12, so I'll just have to do it manually. But at least I can update these. So this will be 2017, and that should not make be a problem. Month 2017. 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 So now, save this. And so these should, oh no, these say 2017 now. Alright, so this one should say, the command shift to change the inherited master. This is January. Then February. So February. This should be January, February, March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. All right, so let's double check that these are looking correct. What's the best way to do that? Let's shrink this down to the side. Let's shrink this down a bit. And collapse these. I'm going to do side by side with the browser. Calendar 2017. Week starting Monday. I've never seen this guy before. That's not starting Monday. Week starts Monday. Generate calendar. Alright, so here's Sunday. 31 day. What are the two 31s here? That's weird. Which page is that? That's week starting. Week starting Sunday. Where's my master pages? Week starting Sunday, I goofed up, apparently. There's 2 of these days. January. So it goes from Sunday to the 31st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double checking that there's no skipped days or double days. February starts on Wednesday and ends on Tuesday. Okay, so these need to go. March starts on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 26, 7. March starts Wednesday and ends Friday. Ends on Friday. That's 31 days. That looks good. April starts on Saturday. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 6, 7, 8. It ends when? Ends on the Sunday. So we don't need this last day here. May starts on Monday and ends on Wednesday. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Looks good. June starts on Thursday and ends on Friday. Thursday ends on Friday because there's 30 days in June, so we don't need this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, looks good. July starts on Saturday and ends on Monday. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, looks good. July, August starts on Tuesday and ends on Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19, 20. And double checking these, is like maybe triple or quadruple checking the dates. Once I know that these are all correct, I know my masters are correct. I shouldn't have to do this check next year. You can just trust that these templates are correct. September, let me get this right, Thursday, it ends on Thursday. This is what, August ends on Thursday and starts on Tuesday, that's right. September starts on Friday and ends on Saturday. So we don't need this. I think I've already checked this date. 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. October starts on Sunday and ends on the 31st, Tuesday. That's correct. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And November starts on Wednesday and ends on Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 29, 30. Okay, and then December starts on Friday and ends on Sunday. Starts Friday, ends Sunday. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 5, 6, 30, 31. Alright, so that's all done. For that, I'm going to do a quick check of the names. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Alright, so the next thing to do would be to update the other word count stuff. Which is like this. this side here. And for that, I don't need this anymore. I need my spreadsheet. Alright, so I'm starting in January. January is the week starting on Sunday. Week starting Sunday is, put 6 in here. Oh wait, I need to, this has to be, January has 31 days. So I need to equal E5 or E6 equals E6. The starting day is Sunday, which is day 6. And so my cumulatives per week look like this. Wait a moment. Alright, so this needs to say 1613 times 1 day is equal to 1613, and this number needs to say 1613. This is the tedious part. And then this has to say 1613 times 7 days is equal to, actually I don't have that number here. I got rid of that table. Let me add that. 1 day, day. This is going to be called what? Counted, or day counts, or week counts. And this is going to be this color. Week counts 1 day, 2 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. And this is going to be equal to that times 1 equals C8. C8 times 2. Oh, this crap. Equals C8 times 3 equals C8 times 4 equals C8 times 5 equals C8. C8 times 6 equals C8 times 7. And let's round this to number, no decimal places. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should all be correct. Alright, so that's helpful. So for a 1 day week, that's 6/13. For a 7 day week, that's 11. Oops. 11, 1, 1290. 11290. And I can duplicate that across all of these. And it looks like that's also. And then how many are in this last day? Ugh. It's junk. Where's the alt key map to on this? So Monday, just 2 days and this last day. So this is 1613. Oh crap. 1613 times 2 days. 2 days are what? 3226. And now I can fill in the rest of these. That's 613. And this day is 12903. This is 24194. This is 35484. This is 46774. And that is the rest of it. Alright, January is done. There's no way I'm going to finish this in 8 minutes. But at least, I wish I could shrink this more. I guess that works. Alright, so February. February is a 28-day month starting on Wednesday. So this needs to be equal to C6. Let me update these two. I guess I can't do that. C6, C7, C6, E6, or C6, D6, or E6. Enter equals C6, E6, or E6. So in this one, it's supposed to be C6. And the week starts on Wednesday, which is 2. And, okay. Days per, the cumulative words per day is rounding here. So, okay, so the first week has 5 days, so that is 8929. And all these change. So this is how many days? It's 171786 times 5 days is equal to 8929. And the first week is 8929. Let me just fill in the rest of these easy ones. Then the second week is 21429. Then the third week is 33929. Then the fourth week is 46429. And then the fifth week is always 50,000. Now we need to update the other numbers. Is it 1667? No, this should be. Okay, what happened? Did it not get updated? Wait, how did we jump to April? What the hell happened? That's super annoying. Is it jumping every time I click on this? Alright, I had to do this all over again. Great. Let's unlock all of these. Unlock, 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 unlock. These should all say 1786. Is that right? Yep. 786. 786. 786. This is 2 days. And the 2 days are 3571. And for 7 days, it's 12,500. 12,500. 12,500. 786, 12,500. The words per week, 21,429, 33,929, 46,429. This should be 50 times 50,000. Alright, so that's that week. So it's February. March has how many days? March has 31 days. So here we wanted to equal E6. C6. D6. E6. So what was I saying? So it starts on Wednesday. Wednesday is 2. Was it the previous month Wednesday? Yeah, it was Wednesday as well. But we have in March 31 days, so it should be equal to E6. I guess that's right. And then we need to update all these things. So first we'll unlock every field by Command Shift clicking it. And let's update these numbers. The number of here is 1613. And we'll just update all those. I see an extra space appearing there. I need to double check that. Is there an extra space in there? There is. Damn it. I need to check this previous month now. Because it looked like there wasn't, when I was pasting it in there, it looked like there was not, it was missing a space, so I added it. So I probably screwed it up. Yeah, that looks like an extra space. So I can just trust that the double click is only selecting the number and not losing the space, which it looked like it was doing. That's alright. Although that number is wrong. But that goes away. Alright, so back to this. This is March 1613. The first day of the week has 5 days. 5. And the total per week, this is going to take at least another, I think it's going to take another 30 minutes. 5 days times 613 is 8065. And this one is 7 days. That's 11,290. This last week is how many days? It's 5 days also. So 5 days is 8065. And looks like I already updated these numbers, right? No, I did not. These are 8065, 19355, 3645, 41935, and 50 out of 50. Alright, March, done. Save. April. 30 days starting on Saturday. 30 days. D6. Starting on Saturday. It's 5. And so what do we unlock all these things first? Unlock, 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 unlock. And we update these. That's 667 days per week, so we don't have to update that. The first one is 2 days. 2 days is 3333. Then 7 days is, why do I have that 1 1? Here it says it's 1167. Oh, that's because I think I actually added the actual rounded up numbers here before. And so this spreadsheet is actually using full precision. Oh well, so I'll have to change that, my masters. Oops, I didn't update that one. 2 days, 777. The last day is April 30 days? It is it. It is 30 days, yep. What was I going to do? This ends on a full 7 days. That's good. So then, 1333, 1500, 15,000 words, 26,667 words, 38,333 words, and then unlock that one, 50,000. Out of 50,000, so that's April. Save. May has 30 days and starts on Monday. 30 days, that's this. Is it 30 days? It's not right. 31 days. So that's E6. And it starts when? Tuesday? May starts on Monday. So that's 0. Does it really start on Monday? I don't trust it. It does start Monday. And so if it starts on Monday, we have one. Well, first we unlock all these. Unlock, 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 unlock. And then number is 1613 times 7 days is all equal to 11,290, and this gets carried on. for all of these. Except for the last day. What's going on here? Some weird selection issues. This last day has 3 days in it. Yeah. 1613 times 3 days is equal to 3 days is 4893. And that should be 50,000. Let's go up for the top. The first day should be 11290. Second week should be 22581. The third week should be 33871. Fourth week should be 45161. And the fifth week should be that. So that's May. How long does it take me to do each month? Let's time it from this time. So it's 23 right now. Let's see where I screwed up. Okay, so I've unlocked all those. June, Thursday, 30 days. 30 days is equal to D6. Starting Thursday is 3. Ends on Friday. Well, confirms. So the number of days, 1667. This first one is how many days? There's 4 days in the first week. And 4 days is equal to 6667 words. Then after this, 6667, 167, that sounds days, that should be 1167. Oops. 11667. And we can copy this all here. Oops, that's not, but this is not 7 days. This last one is 5 days. And which is, how many are 5 days? That's 8333. And this should end at 50,000. You can see some changes I need to make in my template. 4 days, so this one should be 6667. Then 18333. Then 30,000. Then 401667. And 50. So alright, so it takes about 3 minutes to do a month. Lock all these. So 3 minutes to 6 left. So it's like 3 times 6 is what, 18? Okay, those are unlocked, I think. Yes. Why is that space there? Oh, is there an extra space in all of these? It's gonna drive me nuts. That one doesn't have it though. So first week is 6667. Or did I update the rest of this yet? I did not. So July, it's just Saturday. That's day 5. July has 31 days, so that's equal to E6. Alright, so that's more like it. So all these need to be updated. So that should be 1613 times 7 days would be what? 11290. It's not correct, but this is 1 day. 1613. Let's say this should be 2 days. And 2 days is equal to 3226. And these are all correct now. The last day is 1 day. This should be 50,000. I was entering all these. So the first week should be 3226. The second week should be 14516. The third week should be 25806. Fourth week should be 37097. 48387. And this one took longer than the other one. So it's 17. It takes 3 and 5 minutes. Alright, so August is also 31 days and starts on Tuesday. Tuesday is what day? It's 1. So there's 6 days in one of these. Again, first let's unlock all of these. I keep skipping these. Alright, so then let's set these up. So these should all be 1613 days. 1613 times 7 days is 11290. Let's copy this all here. This last day. Ah, what the heck was that? The last one is how many days? 4 days. Four days is 6452. No, these are not right. These are all. I didn't update these. Or this. Oh, that's right. This one needs to be updated. So this is times 5 days. Wait, that's wait, it's 1 day, 6 days actually. 6 days is 9677. Let me update these. 9677. 920, 968. 32258. 43 548 and 50,000. Okay. September. done that. Screwed something else up. I'm skipping these. All right, so those are unlocked. September starts Friday. And September has 30 days? Really? Equals D6. So we have 3 days times 1667. Each day is 1667. This total should be 11667. And let's copy these out first. This last one should be 6 days also, it looks like. 6 days is 10,000 words. Seven days, these are all correct. This first day though is 3 days, and the number for 3 days is 5,000 words. So then this should be 5,000. This should be 16667. That's not right. Is it? No, that's not right. Started bugging right now. 15. No, that is right. I just was thrown because of the extra. It's actually 11667, not one. So it's 5,000 more words than that. So that's correct. 1667, 28333, 40,000, and 50,000. September, October starts on Sunday. It has 31 days. 31 days is E6. Sunday is 6. Looks right. It's 31 days. October, 31 days. There's 2 days on the last day. So let's unlock all these values again. Good. So this should all say 1613. 7 days is 11,290. Let's copy that, but change this so it says 1 day, and that should be 1613. And then here we'll do the except the last one is how many days? It's 2 days? It's Monday and Tuesday, so it's 2 days. 2 days is how many? 3226. This was 1 day, 1 day. Now we update these. This should be 1613. This would be 12903. Be 24194. 35484. And 46774. And then this 50,000. There's October. 2 more months. November starts on Wednesday and has 30 days. So equal D6. Wednesday is number 2. And so we have our new values here. So unlock all these again. Oh. This may seem tedious now, but it was unbelievably tedious when I was adding all these numbers on the fly for each month. I didn't have this spreadsheet. It would be nice if I could feed this data directly into here. Actually, I could make an XML file that did that. I think. That would be awesome. That will be the next update. Alright, so what did I do? I finished those. I guess I didn't unlock these yet. Yeah, so unlock. Or did I? Did I unlock this? I did. They look unlocked. So, okay, so November 3, Wednesday. It's 30 days. 1667, yeah, okay. So 1667 times 7 days should be 1167. Oops, 11667. And let's copy all these down here while I'm thinking about it. Not doing this precisely the same each time, but this is how many days? 4 days. 1667. 7, this is how many days? This is 5 days. And 5 days is 8333. And so now we can update these. 8333. 20,000. Really? They were at 200,000. 20. That's 2,000. That's 20,000. That's 31667. 43333. 50,000. Okay, it's November. One last one to go. December. Save. Unlock all these. December has 31 days. Equals E6. And it starts on Friday, which is day 4. And so how many? There's 6, 1613, 7 days, that's 11290. Save that. And then this is actually how many days? That's 3 days. 3 days is 4839. And so let's update these now. Doink, 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 doink. And because there's only, it ends on Sunday, so that's good. So we can just update these. 4839. 16129. 27419. 38710. 50,000. Whew, that's all of them. Let's do a quick check. What was the last page I was on? History. Oops. Maybe resubmit the form. It starts Monday. Oh, okay, so that's weird. I've already checked these days. So it's 1613 times 1 day. Just making sure that no obvious typos. And, I don't really want to retype all that. Yeah, the thing to do would be to expand this spreadsheet so it actually prints out this whole thing. 5 days, 8, 2, 1, 3, 50,000. 5 days is 6, 5. Is that right? Starts Wednesday. 2. This is January, February, March is 31 days. That's E6. Oh, that's right. E6, 5, 290. Just making sure these numbers are going up. I think they're probably all okay. 2 days. 3333, 1667, 667. So I had to erase some of those end ones. May 6113. Looks good. June. Six, 7 times 4 days. That's 5 days. That's good. 2 days. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 8. 1 day. Okay, good. 6 days. 9, 6, 7, 7, 23. Wait. Bug. August has how many days? 31 days. This is wrong. That should be 1613. Actually, it's wrong in several places. 1613. How did that happen? Is that right? 31 days. Tuesday is what day? It's 1. August has 31 days. Ends on Thursday. 1613. 1290. 9667. So September is 30 days. 3 days, 5,000. 4. 5,167. There's another error. Oh wait, that's correct. 2883, 40,000, 50,000. 667, 667. Okay, in October. 613 times 1 day. 1613, 29. 4, 3, 5, 44, 6, 4, 7, 7, 50,000. That's 2 days. 1613, 7, 1290. I think it's alright. 1667 times 5 days. This is day starting Saturday, so this should be number would be 5. So what am I up to? An hour and 15 minutes. And I had to actually process all the other things. 333, 20,000, 2667. Oh, this is an error. It's a good thing I did check this. 26667. Wait. That's not right. Oh, okay, this should be, it's November. This should be equal to D6. How is this wrong? No, because it starts on Wednesday. That's why. Wednesday is 2. Okay, that's right. 8833, 28, 31, 667, 4333, 50,000. And then December, that starts on Friday. Just 4 is equal to E6. 4893, 84839, 16129, 27419, 387, 110, 50, 50, 613, 618, 613, 613, and that last one, well, that gets erased anyway. Alright, let's make sure that the numbers are consistent. 613, 6667, 613. 613, 167, 16667. Wait. June is how many days? June is 30 days. Okay. But May should be. Is May 31 days? That's strange. Wait a second. If June is 31 days, this number should be. This number should be 1613. No, June is that's correct. June is 30 days. Yeah, that should have the higher number. May should be 1613. Alright, okay, it's just that last one. So then again, April, 30 days, 1667, 1667, 1667, 1667. These numbers should be correct. Day starting Saturday, which is 5. 30 days, which equals to D6. Oops. Equals D6. 333, 15,000, 26, 667, 38, 333, 50,000. These are all 1613 because March is 31 days. 5 days. Week starting Wednesday, which is 2. 865 19355 3064 4139 15,000. It's 5 days 8065 7707. That looks okay. 5 days is 8065. That looks good. Wait, March or February. February has 28 days. Just equals C6. 8, 29, 21, 4, 4, 5, 3, 9, 2, 9, 4, 6, 4, 2, 9, 50,000. 1, 7, 8, 6, 5, 7, 7, 7, 2. Looks good. January, 31 days, 1 day, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 2 days, 3, 2, 2, 6. Day does it start? It starts Sunday, which is 6. 613, 12, 903, 24, 194, 35, 484, 46, 774. This should say 50,000. And that's otherwise correct. All right. So next stage is to save a copy as a PDF. Oh wait, that doesn't. I need in InDesign I export as a PDF. So 27. Yeah, let's export this with all quality enabled. That's really what I want. That's the modifications that's made. Export that. Did it do anything? Okay. So here's the unprocessed calendar. So now I need to edit this in Illustrator and get rid of the extraneous junk. And I've saved it as a PDF file, and I'll open with it with Illustrator. Hopefully I'll finish this off at 38 minutes. I'm a 90-minute mark. So total so far I've spent 3 hours on this project. I gotta pick which calendar to open. Okay. If objects have been reinterpreted. Alright, so now that I'm here, I want to get rid of all these extraneous numbers. Which I hope I can do it like this. So it didn't quite work as I hoped. Oh, I deleted the stupid copyright. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Ugh. I probably should process this in InDesign. Because I think it's going to delete too much stuff. Yeah, I'm going to do this in InDesign. Let's open InDesign again. Yeah. Alright, so in each of these, that's strange, what happened to the master files? Looks like the master didn't carry it over. Interesting. Layers, cover. So what do you want to do? Let's make these initial. My mouse is freaking out at me now. Make some patterns here. Snapping. Copy that. It goes back to this master. Paste in place. can't delete some of those. Okay. Command Shift V. And then all of these we want gone too. We lock these other layers. So what I want to do is just put these on all each page, and then delete them. Command Shift Option V. Okay, so these all work on some of these, but at least they're mostly positioned right. Alright, so in this entire one, I wonder if I can, this is the actual base template. This one I actually want to delete. And so what's the best way of doing that? Maybe the easy thing to do would be to just blot out this entire row. Oops. Okay, select sluggish Mac. Where's my color? Stroke. I don't want stroke. I just want that gone. Okay. Let's cover it up. So let's see, we don't need these two. So there's December. Let's go back to January. Save. January starts at the 1st, 29, there's 31 days. And so that's January. And February starts 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's only 28 days. Let's go back to December and grab my blotter thing. Copy. And we don't want, basically we want all these things to move up. And then we want to Command Shift Doom. Make sure this is positioned correctly. It is not. Okay. So there's February. And March. 4, 3, 2, 1. Starts on Wednesday. These two move up. And these get flopped. That's right. You have the same deal with this. You don't need any of these. You need that first one. January, February, March, April is 30 days. January, February, March, April, May is 31 days. So we need these. This is all offset on. And this starts, looks like it's, May starts on Monday? Yeah, that's right. Can't believe I screwed this one up though. Pacing offset. How did that even happen? This makes me mad. Go to the master again and make sure that's not fucked up. Right, it's not even here. Oh well. Where was I again? 4, 5, 6. This is June. That's right, June. So here we started this day. That is aligned, that is aligned. These are not aligned. We need those last two filled in. These we don't need. Obliterate the last row. And align these so they are correct. Good. July. It starts on that day. These are needed. One of these, so these are correct. August apparently starts on Tuesday. And we need these 3. We don't need these. That's right. September. And this last one. It's already set up correctly. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. December, we already saw December, so those are the calendars. Is that done? I think we're done with these. Except the copyright notice is the wrong date. Although it is 2016. I wish I had based it off that one master now. I don't know. No, wait, this is actually baked into the template, isn't it? Alright, I'll leave you alone. Okay, so we can export this again to this. Yeah, replace it. And we want to do smallest file size. Actually, we'll do high quality print. But make sure that do not include publishing line output. I want to convert all the type to outlines. Export. So here's the tracking calendar. Oh, this January screwed up. Here. January has an offset issue. It got copied to everybody else. Okay, now it should be okay. High quality print. Export. One last sanity check. Let me print this out. Make sure it prints. We want to fit this. So that's printing. I'll just scan through this. 1613, 7 days, 290. April. Oh, there's a bug in November. I didn't. November. Apparently I brain farted doing this one. November. How did I brain fart this one? That's more like it. Export it again. Copy print. One. December. 613, 7 days. All right. I think that's all correct. Oh shit, I had to delete all this crap too. Damn it. Alright, so how are we going to delete that? I'm going to unlock that layer again. And I'm just going to delete all of it. Actually, to be useful. So it's every 7 days, 1 week. So in a 31 days, 7, 15, 1/4 of the way, 7, 14, 21. So 31. That's my calculator. Ugh. So 31 days divided by 4. Every 7-ish days. So 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5 days. 6 days. So this is the quarter mark here. Can I select these? Can. 3, 4. So that's the first quarter days. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's the halfway mark. Rather, this is the halfway mark. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 3/4 mark. And then there's a done. Oops. I need to unlock all these. 2. All right. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. Three-quarter mark. Done. Complete. Or month complete. Finished mark or completed mark. Quarter mark, halfway mark, 3/4 mark. A month. Seems kind of obvious. Month complete. Maybe we don't even need it. I'm gonna leave it out. One last thing to type. Alright, so there's that. So February has 28 days. So it's actually probably the same. So the quarter mark, it's generally I go start 7 days. It's close enough, really. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a little bit different for this. Here. Oops, I left one. Damn it. Can't see. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. No, I don't do the last one anymore. Did I call it halfway mark in the previous one? Quarter mark, halfway mark. Did I hyphenate it here? No, I did not. Alright, so there's those. And we start the same thing here. Skip the first 7 days. We will, I guess I'll generally just start them on the 7th. 7, 15, oops. 23, and over here. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19. Yeah, I'll just go from here. We skipped. So I think it's the 24. Excuse me. Up in here. 1, 2, 3. And that's acting weird. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. What's this? Why did those get deleted? Annoying. 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep. Yeah, is that what's going on? 7, 14, 15, 24, or 23 in this case. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Debt. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. 30 days. July. Six. Debt. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. Oh shit. 3/4 mark. Good. August. So 15. The last few ones. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. 3/4 mark. September. 1, 2, 3. I should probably make this start at 6. Some of them will be different. The 30 days should start at 6s. I'm not going to worry about it. I guess it'll be easy enough to move. Quarter mark. halfway mark. Three-quarter mark. October. "31 days. Start that on the 7th. I wish I'd put these on its own layer. Well, because I don't think they are. No, I can't even do it that way. So 15 goes to 24. Is that right? No, 15 goes to 23. Skips one. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. Three-quarter mark. November has 30 days. Quarter mark. Halfway mark. Quarter mark. December has 31 days. I'll start this on the 7th. Eyes are killing me. Ugh. Watermark. Halfway mark. Three-quarter mark. Save. Review the first few months again. March has, this has 31 days, a quarter mark. So we want to start these 7/15/23, 7/14/21/28. March has 31 days, so 7/15/23. 30 days should be 6/14. 23. 2-hour mark. I think I can finish this in 15 minutes. I'm gonna move this. Oops. Oh, I can't do that. Damn it. I'm gonna copy this down here. It's not even aligned, is it? It's not aligned. Where's my align control? Where's the line? Object layout, is it? Object layout, align. Align to that. This should be over here now. That goes away. Oops, no, I need to use it down here. The space is different. Quarter mark. I should say halfway mark now. Halfway mark. Three-quarter mark. Quarter mark, halfway mark. And May is 31 days, so this should be fine. Oh. What the hell happened here? Oh. I don't even know why that's like 7, 15, 24, or 23, that's good. June, 30 days. And fortunately, I can just slide all these ones over. This happy day. Uh-oh. July 7, 15, 23. August. Yeah, this one's screwed up. Crap. Oh wait, August 31, that's good. September is 30. That one's correct. Yeah, all the rest of them are okay. 31. Yeah, okay. There's only a few of them I had to change. Alright. Let me just scan again for extraneous crap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. This is extra one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, scan it again. Quarter mark, halfway mark, 3/4 mark. 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 Okay. Finally. Hopefully this is the last export. I call it print export. there's one last thing I forgot to do. Which is to put make sure the copyright information is up to date. How do I do that? Document setup or file info? Heck, 50,000 words. So it looks up to date. That's fine. Alright, I think that does it for that. Let me check over here on this side. What is the site that I put these on? What's it called? Blah, 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 blah. I don't remember. Where is it? I think I linked to it on my productivity tools page. That's weird formatting. All tools. Word counting calendar. 12-month calendar for sale on... Oh, I saw it here? Okay. I guess I need to duplicate this listing. And I need to make a screenshot of this. I think that's the only picture I have. I don't even know where that file is. I guess we're gonna find it. Probably gave it something dumb like a marketing name, or looks like it would be a. Maybe I put it in collateral. If I was smart, I would have put it in collateral. Looks like it did. So what is this file? And 2017. And this file is a smart object. Oh, that's a smart object. This looks like it's a linked file. Where is my linked files? Window. What's it called again? I think they changed the name in recent Photoshops. That's not what I want. Can I do it here? No, that's actually just pulling it right out of there. How do I relink it? I relink from here. Export, convert, update, relink to file. And let me relink it to this place. Choose the very first one. Click OK. Oh, and it updated. Save. Save a copy. And I guess it would be that was odd. What size did I make it before? This original size is... Will tell me? How big is this file preview? Doesn't tell me. Tool, view, tools, actual size. Is this 1500? You disappoint me, preview. Let's open in Photoshop. This is 1200. Let's make this 1200 by 1200. Save. There. Save. Click the optimize flyout menu. Choose edit output 6 saving. Where's the optimize flyout menu? Optimize flyout menu? Am I supposed to guess where this is? This doesn't look like it flies out. Where's this optimize flyout menu? Am I supposed to know what a flyout menu is? Is it this? It's an unlabeled menu. Nice. Let's see. HTML, images, background images, default settings. Where is it limiting the length of the file? I don't see anything. What? It didn't. I think this is a stupid dialogue message. Because it looks like it saved it just fine. No, wait, that's a different error message. Okay. Alright. So I've updated that. I have a new image here. I just need to remember how to log into this and make this available. And just update this listing. Yeah, this text. And that'll be done. And I'll do that offline because I don't want to type my login credentials. And so let's close down this stuff and review how much time this actually took. Right now, it's 3 o'clock. I've been streaming for 2 hours and around almost 2.5 hours. Let's call it 2.5. Yesterday I did 1.5 hours. The Shopify listing will be next, and then all the promotions. So I spent 4 hours updating this. Updating the ETP journal is going to take a whole day, and I'm not looking forward to it. Maybe I'll split it up into smaller packages, and then because I make 4 varieties of it, and I sell the thing for like $9 or something like that. And it's, you know, I think if you want to have the other versions, you can either buy the bundle and it'll be more expensive, or you can buy the format that you want. I think that will be reasonable for the amount of time it saves people. $7. So anyway, I'm gonna call this stream for now. Hope that you, whoever's watching this from the Coworking streams, maybe you will, I don't know what you'll take away from this. I'm tired. I'm gonna sign off now and take a break. Okay, thanks for watching.